Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Cafe. My name is Mohammed Ali and in this video tutorial we are going to work on the categories, okay, for the on the admin panel where admin will basically add some new products to this app so the user can simply purchase that products. So go to the Android Studio, and here we left in the previous tutorial where we create this admin add new product activity. But before we do that, we need to create a category activity for the admin, so that where we will display all the categories of this app. So click here, new, and then activity and empty activity. The name of this activity will be category activity, or a proper name will be admin. Okay, so admin category activity, and then click finish. So our new activity is launched successfully, and now in this activity basically we will display all the categories, or you can say all the products that our app will the app owner will basically sell, okay, to the user. So the user will purchase these products. So first of all, let's change this constant layout to the relative layout, and then we need a text view. So we can simply add a text view, match parent, wrap content. First let's give ID to this. So the ID for this will be, let's give it a name as slogan underscore category. Align parent top to true, center horizontal should be true, margin from the top should be 25 dp, 27 dp. Let's add some text to it. So this will be basically add new product. This is for the admin, as I told you twice, that is, this is the admin category tab activity, where here we will basically all the categories to the admin. So the admin will select any category, that is in which category he is going to add a new product. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Text alignment should be center, text size 26 sp, text style should be bold, and yeah, that's it. Now we need to add a linear layout to display our first four products, the category. Okay, so the width should be match parent, and the height should be must be wrap content. And first of all, let's give ID to our this linear layout. So we can give it a name as linear underscore category underscore layout. So this is the ID for our this linear layout, and now make sure to select the orientation horizontal for this linear layout. And now we will add some products inside this linear layout and give it linear 1, okay, because we will add further linear layouts here also for the other products. So every linear layout will contain 4 products categories. So the first one is linear 1 category layout. And next thing which we want to add is center horizontal to true, gravity should be also center, and margin from the top should be 45 dp. And this linear layout should be below the text view. Okay, so below ID, and copy the ID of this slogan category and paste that here. Okay, so you can see this, our linear layout is here, and now we are going to add our category products here. So it is image view, wrap content 80 dp, and the source for this is inside the drawable folder. We have different icons, okay, and which I already shared with you guys in the previous tutorial, and I also provide the link to that. So I hope you have download and copy and paste that all the icons in your drawable folder. And if I show you, then these are the icons. Let me show it to you once more so that there will be no confusion about that. Okay, these are the icons basically. Also check the name of these icons. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to inside the drawable folder we have icon by the name t-shirts, okay, which is this one. And let's give ID to this. So the ID for this will be t underscore shirts. Let's copy paste this image view, and now we can add other products also here. So the other one will be the sports t-shirt, okay. So you can see drawable, inside drawable folder we have an icon by the name sports, which is the sports, okay. And make sure to change the height of this to wrap content, and the name of this, ID of this will be sports t-shirts. And yeah, that's it. And now let's copy paste this, and the icon for this is by the name female dresses, which is this one, okay. And make sure to change this ID for this to female underscore dresses. Now let's copy paste, and now we will add these sweaters. By the name sweater we have an icon, okay, which is this one. And change the ID of this to sweaters. So yeah, this is our 4 products, okay, which is inside this linear layout, one category layout, okay, under this one. So what I'm going to do is we can just simply copy paste this linear layout, okay. Copy this and paste this whole linear layout below, so that we can add further products here below this first one. So change the ID of this one to linear to category layout, okay, linear to this one, and the rest will be the same. So now the first one here we need to add, first of all let's move this linear layout, which is our second linear layout. So okay, so remove this layout below ID from here and copy the ID of this linear 1 category, okay, and now paste that here, okay. You can see this. And now the next thing is to change the products here. So what I'm going to do is here we need to add the glasses, okay, and it will contain all type of glasses, sunglasses and everything. And the ID for this will be simply glasses. Then we will have purse and wallets, okay, for female and males, for both, okay. And the icon will be this one for the category, okay. And change this to purses underscore bags underscore wallets, okay. So it will contain all the purses, bags and wallets. Inside this category we will have all these products. Then the other one is the hats, okay, which is this one. And first of all this one should also be ATDP, and then this will be 90 DP, ATDP, and change this one to ATDP, and this one also to ATDP. So yeah, that's it. And also make sure to change this, so we can give it ID hats and caps, hats underscore caps. And this one will be for shoes, and change this to shoes. And this category will contain all the sports shoes and common shoes, and change this to 70 dp, ATDP. Margin from the start should be 16 dp. So yeah, that's it. Now what we're gonna do is copy this linear layout, and we have to paste it below here. First of all, change the ID of this linear layout to 3. So linear layout 3, this is our third linear layout, and it should be below the second one. So copy the ID of the second one and paste that ID here, so this one, okay. And now here we need to add further for products. So the first one will be the headphones and hand frees under this category, okay. And the ID for this will be headphones underscore hand free, and then the second one will be laptops, and then here we can give ID to it, so it will be laptop underscore PC. And then the third one will be the watches, and let's give it ID, which will be WATCHES watches. And finally the last one will be the mobile phones, and change this to mobiles, or we can say mobile phones or mobile phones. So for now we will go with all these 12 products, and these will be basically the categories, and under these category we will add different products. That is, this product, this mobile products will basically contain all the phones, that is Apple phones, and then the Nokia, Motorola, Samsung Galaxy, and all these phones. Okay, and for the specific items to search, we will add basically a search, live searching. Okay, where a user can search for specific product. That is, let's say a user is searching for iPhone 6, okay, or you can say Samsung Galaxy. So yeah, we will do that. Okay, so these are overall products. So yeah, that's it for this video, and in the next video tutorial we will further work on it. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And if anyone is new to our channel, then please subscribe our channel, coding cafe, thumbs up for this video, and see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.